just put in your filling normal like. I need to move this. Just pipe it in and spread it around, and there you have it. Or they have come out with some new stuff. It's called Icing Genius. This has got to be the coolest thing. There's a lot of different things you can do with this. CalJava just came out with it. So if you need it, I think CalJava Online is their website. But it's got how many different flavors? I mean, they must have about 8 or 9 different flavors. And we went and saw them demonstrate this and got to taste a lot of it, different applications for it, and oh wow, it was really good. They put it on popcorn and everything. You can melt it down and use it for dipping. It's a concentrated flavor icing is what it is. So you can dip with it if you melt it down, and then you can add it to anything. They added it to whipped cream frosting, and it was out of this world. It was really good. And this is salted caramel. So boy, was it tasty.
Wow.
And then this is lemon.
You can push that over here if you want.
Oh, yeah, it's not open.
You mean it's not open yet?
It's not open. So anyways, this is the lemon. And this one is open. So I'm going to show you. It is actually yellow. This one happens to be actually yellow. But basically what you do is you just take it, and remember it's concentrated. So you're going to take some of that, and you're going to take some of your regular either whipped cream or buttercream. Both work in a naked cake. Okay, and then you're going to mix it together, and then you're going to taste it to see if it's the consistency, if it's the flavor you want. If it's not enough lemon, add more of the concentrated flavor to it. Otherwise, add more. If it's too much lemon, then add more of the regular buttercream to it. But see, it gives you a nice, pretty light yellow.
I'm sorry. What does too much lemon mean?
It's too strong.
I see.
Too strong of a lemon flavor. I used to suck on lemons, so there is no such thing as too strong.
There you go.
Too much lemon flavor.
That explains a lot, actually.
Yeah, that sour puss face I have. So anyways, they have one that would go perfect with this, which is tiramisu. With a chocolate cake. Oh my God. But I didn't do that because not everyone likes that coffee flavor. So anyways, salted caramel would also go really well. Okay, so what I did here is I filled my bag, and then I did a slight angle cut right here. Okay, and what that does is act like a 104 tip, or in this case it'd be like a 102 or 103 because it's small. And you can just swirl it on, but I like to do something a little pretty. If you can see the cake here, notice it's just pretty piping. So what I did was just with the skinny end out, just go back and forth like so, right to the edge. Okay, so I want you to see it's right to the edge. Okay, it'll squeeze out just a tiny bit. Now you gotta watch me do this for a million years. Are there any questions? Michael's typing furiously.
Yeah, they're just asking where to get that. We're just typing back. It's CalJava.
CalJava Online.
Yeah, CalJavaOnline.com.
Yeah, that's where you get it.
Should hook you up, yeah.
They got cotton candy. I got cotton candy.
Nice. Just tell them we sent you. Just tell them YummyArts sent you.
Yeah, I told Daniel that I was going to be doing this.
It's pretty.
Okay, so we've got that done, and then now you can just fill in the center. Just go ahead
and we highly recommend an angled spatula for this.
Yeah, because you don't want to mess your thing up.
Otherwise you have
my lemon,
knuckles.
please.
Oh, fine. You want it back?
And as you can see, this does dye it. I don't know if the camera can pick up. It's a slight yellow tint.
Oh, dye it as in color it.
Color it.
It's
yeah.
certainly not dye it.
Well, no, it's not a dye. No, it's not dye it either.
No.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put this top on evenly. Press it down slightly. Then on with the next one.
Okay.
And this goes pretty fast. The part that you got to be careful with is your baking. And again, I add just a tiny bit of extra batter so I make sure I've got the height I need. Use your baking strips.